We are in conversation with the CMD of the company, Mr. Sanjay Swarup. Mr. Swarup, good morning. Thank you so much for taking the time out. Let me start by asking you about the quarter gone by. We're looking at a 6.5% growth in your revenue. I want to understand as to the factors that have actually contributed to this growth. I also want to see, and rather understand the impact of the railway haulage rates and how they panned out, and that what sort of a consequence that they had when it comes to your top line.
Yeah, actually, we have posted excellent results for Q4 of this financial year. In fact, this has been the best quarter ever in the company's history as far as top line is concerned. And the drivers for this growth has been steady volumes in EXIM, and very good growth in domestic volumes also. And we have identified several circuits in domestic and eliminated the empty running to a great extent. As far as EXIM is concerned, in fact, EXIM and domestic both, there was a slight effect of the haulage busy season surcharge that was imposed by railways from October. But by this Q4, all these were absorbed by the industry, and whatever hikes strategically wherever we have passed on to our customers, they have now more or less accepted it, and the business is quite stable now.
So double-digit volume growth, 11% to be precise. Is this what we can expect going forward into the next financial year as well, or do you think that we could do better than what the volumes that we've seen so far?
Yeah, in this financial year, we are expecting 15% growth in EXIM and 25% growth in domestic. So if we combine these two, there will be growth of 18 to 20% in this financial year. That is the guidance I would like to give to the viewers.
Okay, so that is an incredibly positive guidance going forward. These are very strong projections. So I just want to understand then, because we've also seen an expansion in margins for Q4 specifically, and this is to the tune of nearly 100 basis points, well, about 90 basis points is according to my calculation. So you were making a point about the impact of railway haulage rates going forward. Do you think that there could be some amount of volatility in your margins in FY25? Is this the range that Container Corp could be with over the course of the next few quarters?
It has been the philosophy of Container Corporation that we give excellent service to our customers without sacrificing our margins. And it has been well absorbed by our customers. And they are very happy with our service, and they don't mind paying little bit extra for the service that they get. This philosophy will continue in the future. Plus, we are bringing out some new products in the market, which will be the main growth drivers for this financial year. And I am very, very hopeful. We have an initial discussion with our customers, and they are looking forward to it. And we are very hopeful that we will bring more volume into our fold, and we will not sacrifice our margin. We have been maintaining an EBITDA of 25% for the last several quarters, which will be continued to be maintained.
Right. So can you tell us about these new products that are on the anvil going forward? Yeah,
actually we will be starting loading of bulk cement in tank containers, which is a new product for us. And we are aiming to capture a lot of bulk cement movement in the country. Secondly, we will be starting double stack trains for Nhava Sheva up to Varnama terminal, that is near Baroda, because we are hopeful that DFC connectivity will be given up to Varnama. So from NCR region to Baroda, we will be running double stack trains. That way we are hopeful of shifting of lot of cargo into our fold. And thirdly, we are hopeful of getting more business in our new terminals that we have commissioned. We have had talks with our customers. They are very, very bullish about our services. They are very happy. And so we feel confident and emboldened that we will be able to achieve this target, in the financial year.
Right, so Mr. Swarup, one of the notes also suggests that there was a demand notice from the Indian Railways for land license fees worth about nearly 700 crores. So can you give us an update here? We want to better understand what this means.
Yeah, we keep on receiving demand notes from Indian Railways. That is a continuous process. But we have reconciled the payment of land license fees with Indian Railways. So there is nothing to, get worried about it. So we will handle this issue and we will continue to make the payment as per the agreed formula with Indian Railways.
All right, fair enough, sir. Sir, also a word on the strategic divestment plan. Any updates there? Where has process reached? What's going on with that one?
See, it's a government policy that they want to divest. So we are following the directives given by Government of India. So whenever we get any update, definitely we would like to share with you.
All right, Mr. Swarup, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us here on NDTV Profit. And we look forward to having a conversation once again soon after.
Thank you.